sky blue color, sky blue color. Red color, red color. Brown color, brown color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Green color, green color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1 and use sky blue color. O and U1. Kids again use sky blue color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. TWO2. Kids now it a 3. The numbers of 3 and use red color. THREE. Kids again use red color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. FOUR 4. Kids now 5. The numbers of 5 and use brown color. Brown color. FIVE 5. Kids again use brown color and draw 6. SIX6. Kids now 7. The numbers of 7 and use yellow color. Yellow color. SEVE and 7. The numbers of 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. EIGHT 8. Kids now 9. The numbers of 9 and use blue color. Blue color. NINE9. Kids again use blue color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. TE and 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use sky blue color. Sky blue color. Kids again use sky blue color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15 and use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids now draw 17. The numbers of 17 and use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. Kids now draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use yellow color. Yellow color. The last numbers of 20 and again use yellow color. Yellow color. The numbers of 20. Kids, today you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.